Look at you, you got your shades on. What's up with that?
I don't want you to see my wonky eye.
You got no wonky eye, man. You got no wonky eye. Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. Hey, welcome to Gray Hair Garage.
Yeah. Wait a minute. We're taking.
Yeah, but until we'll do that.
Cheers, brother. Cheers, Gray Hair Garage. Here we are
Mike,
again.
what do we have here?
1985 Mercury Capri. If you look at it, looks like a Mustang. Well, it pretty much is a Mustang, but
It's a more luxurious Mustang of the day, correct?
best looking Mustang I think there ever was.
Yeah. I love the front end on this car.
I do too.
It's unique. And it's just a little bit dressier, I think.
Yeah.
Compared to the similar, and this is a 1985?
85 model. Found this in Tennessee. Guy had it on Craigslist, and he's one of our veterans, and just wasn't able to finish the project, and so I bought it from him. And I kept in touch with him, and he saw the final product when I finished it up, and
What do you think?
he loved it. He said, "Fantastic job," and
Probably enjoyed seeing the project done finally,
yeah,
huh?
me too. Yeah.
How long did it take you to build this one?
This one was 18 months.
Okay, well that's
That
not bad.
wasn't
Not
bad.
bad compared to the other one.
No.
The 70.
So it's 85 Mercury Capri RS, 363 stroker motor, TKO 600, 5-speed transmission with 14 gears in the back. Yeah, it's a bad little.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Gets up and moves.
Yeah, it's fun to drive.
Yeah.
You got a bad day, drive this car.
Can we hear it?
Yeah, hell yeah, you can hear it.
This would be a cold start, folks.
Cold start.
Cool. Why don't we pop the hood so we can show them? Man, that's legit.
Dude. So this is it's a long story, but bottom line, this is a Dart 363 stroker motor. I bought the short block, AFR heads, 185 AFRs, Lanati Voodoo cam, and a air gap Edelbrock intake with a 750 on top.
Old-fashioned carburetor, huh?
Old-fashioned carburetor.
Was it a pain to set up?
No. Actually, this car runs really well. Didn't really have to do any adjustments on the carburetor. From the factory, it set up and ran well. Yeah, been a good car. Really haven't had any complaints with it. When I bought this car, it was just a rolling chassis car. The dash was out of it. Everything was just kind of thrown in, and so yeah, I've always wanted to do a car from start to finish myself. So this was my first attempt. Probably the hardest car to do because of all the compound curves in different shapes and the black trim, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. But
Right, now, so you did all the painting on this one as well?
I did the paint on this car in my garage, set up a paint booth, did the same thing. This color is a, I forget the name of it, but it's a Dodge white. I always loved it. It's just a very vibrant white, looks great in the sun. So 363 stroker, TKO 600 transmission, 14 gears on the rear. Did the Cobra brake upgrade from the SN95 Mustang. The wheels are FR 500s, 18 by 9 and 18 by 10. The exhaust is BBK headers, X-pipe, Flowmaster 44, and then stainless steel tailpipes. And I built everything there. But yeah, little white Capri, something you don't see. They call them bubble backs.
Right.
And I almost changed that. I almost didn't run that deck lid, but I found this. This is, if any of you guys are familiar with ASC McLaren Mustangs, they had these little deck lids on them, little wings, I mean. I saw that, and it just makes the car look a little better.
It does. It's a nice touch.
And yeah, it's a bad little car.
Thanks for joining us at Gray Hair Garage today. I hope you enjoyed the episode on the Capri. Hopefully there'll be a little more to follow soon. And then really just if you could like,
Subscribe.
and share, we'd really appreciate it.
And hit the notification button.
Oh, come on, Mike. They're not going to do that.
I know they're not going to
We
do
got
that.
21 subscribers for Pete's sakes.
Who cares?
We'd
We're
like
drinking
more.
beer.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hey, thanks for joining us at Gray Hair Garage. Hope you enjoyed the episode with Mike. We really buggered that up.
More coming.
Huh? More Alright, well, welcome to... That's wrong.
That's not good at all.
That's an intro.
We screwed that up. Yeah. It's okay. We're leaving.
Right.
We're leaving shortly.
Are we recording? Are we recording?
Just record. We'll be all right. Start again.
Okay. You can start.
Okay. Well, I'll start. Okay. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. We want you to click the subscribe button. Subscribe.
Share.
And what? Like? Like? Is that right?
Yeah, I think it's...
Yeah. So, yeah. We've been up. Yeah. Yeah, you know what to do. Boo! For myself. It's funny. It's always funny when people fart. You're still recording, aren't you?
Oh,
That's what I think.
Cool.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Sorry about all that, people.
Yeah.
We don't mean to be. Yeah.
Yeah.